Hey guys, in this video I'm launching a series of the episodes where I'm going to review one of the popular web store themes in order to make your business grow and expand. I am myself a developer, and some of the merchants reach out to me directly when when they're looking for getting more coverage on our YouTube channel and more social media presence, which is fine. And this company, Template Monster, has reached out to me and they sent me a copy of their Woodstroid theme for WordPress and WooCommerce, which I'm going to review and show you how this works. If you're interested, sit back more comfortably and let's get going. Alright guys, so we are at the brand new installation of our WordPress website. As you can see, I'm logged in as an administrator. I can go into my panel. There's nothing installed, it's just a blank installation from DigitalOcean. And if you don't know how to install WordPress, try to consult other videos on YouTube where people show how to launch a WordPress. Or if you are interested, if this video will get 100 likes and you post in comments that you're also interested in the WordPress installation, write down the comment down below so I can show you exactly how I can quickly launch a WordPress website in a matter of 10 minutes. Alright, so let's get going. So the installation is done for the website. It's didva.com wp admin. Now in order to install our theme, we need to go into plugins, click on the installed plugins, and click on the button called add new. Once I'm in add new, I'll go to, this is the search box where you can search the plugins published in a WordPress directory. But now, since I downloaded the plugin directly from TemplateMonster, I need to go and click the button Upload Plugin here. Here I have to choose where my plugin is located, and it's located in under the folder Theme Wizard. So click on that. Don't click, just select it and go Open. And click Install Now. It's going to install. It says the plugin installed successfully. Now I need to activate it. Click on Activate, and here the developer, since they send you the single site license, they require you to provide the order ID. In my case, the order ID is this number. I copy that, I paste it here, and I click on Install. The license is activated, and now let's follow the options one by one and get our theme properly installed. On this screen it says we recommend you to use our child themes generator to get child theme for Woodstroid. Continue with parent and use child theme. Okay, and since they recommend to use the child theme, let's use the child theme. I'll continue. Okay, on this screen they show us that each skin comes with custom demo content and predefined set of plugins. Depending upon the selected skin, the wizard will install required plugins and some demo posts and pages. That's pretty good because we can already generate a fully completed web store which shows us exactly how it will look like. And this is the list of the predefined themes. Depending what are you trying to sell, this is a lot of templates. A grocery store, cannabis store, another grocery store, Christmas store, a lot of stores. This is for Woocommerce. Clothes. A lot of people sell clothes, books, toys, hosting. So this is all good. Watch store, nutrition, decor store, delivery food, kids store, computer parts. So any sorts of the e-commerce website you want to start selling online, this is the theme to go. Okay, and you can, for example, click on a view demo. Let's click on the mobile accessories view demo. Let's take a look what's inside there. It's being generated now. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so the theme has been generated in my preview page. It looks like this. Nothing that I particularly like, so let's click the back button and try something else. There's a fashion, there's some toys, plumbing themes, medical devices if you're looking to start your medical supply business, yoga if you want to sell yoga pants and yoga mats. They're popular right now, trend. Again, organic food, wholesale food, lots of nutrition, toys for kids. This is all very, very good stuff. Gadgets, hunting, furniture, fishing, cosmetics, jewelry store, vape store, beer store, mega store, something like Best Buy. I'm going to start a mega store. But me personally, I'm not into clothing. I'm not into mega stores. I'm thinking getting the supplies for all that stuff is just incredibly hard to get started. But for the sake of this example, let me choose something as a hosting store maybe. Or what can I use? I would like to try to install the hosting store, which that closer relates to e-commerce, to SaaS type of business. So let's click on the install button on that theme. On the next page, the theme recommends to use it requires a Jet data importer and Kava Extra plugins, and recommends me a bunch of other plugins such as Elementor, Jet Theme Core, Jet Elements for Elementor, Contact Form 7, Jet Tabs, Jet Blocks, Jet Tricks, Jet Menu, Woocommerce, Jet Woo Builder, Jet Pop-Up, Jet Smart Filters. Since we are going to run on Woocommerce, I will leave that Woocommerce on. And since Elementor is now getting popularity, I will keep that plugin on as well. And they also offer the full extra plugin, such as called Jet Block for Elementor. I'm not sure what this thing does, but let's select this as well and then click next. I'm curious to check out what the Jet Block is. I can always uninstall it in case I don't like it. WordPress allows to do that very quickly and easily. We're almost done. They offer me the following options. Do I want to append demo content to my existing content? Do I want to replace my existing content with demo content? Or do I want to skip demo content installation? Of course, demo content installation is a very useful tool. So let's just replace all my existing content in case there is any, but this is a blank installation, and click next. Okay, here they are asking us to enter your password, your user password to confirm to start content replacing. All your content will be replaced, posts, pages, comments, attachments, and terms. The import of the content has begun. As you can see, it might be a rather involved operation, but it gives you this transitions, the loading screen. It gives you detailed information. What's the status of the import of the content right now is. So we're going to import the 83 posts, 1 author, 77 media files, 13 comments, and 72 terms. We're done 52% now. Now the import is complete. Now it has to take some time to regenerate the thumbnails, which could be also a labor-intensive process for your WordPress installation, depending on what's the strength of your hardware of your web hosting. Mine is the digital VPS, the cheapest one you can buy on DigitalOcean. It costs only $5 per month. It comes with 1 gigabyte of RAM and 25 gigabyte of SSD storage, which is really fast and very convenient. My VPS is located in New York City, which is very close to where we work, where our offices are. So we have a minimal delay and we can test the products very quickly and efficiently. Okay, so the installation is now complete, and we're getting the congratulations screen where grid as all is set. And from now on, we can do the following. Take a look at our website, start editing, check documentation, check the knowledge base, community, and select the scheme. All right, so let's check the website. Let's take a look how it looks on our end. Okay, so this is the theme that I picked up for the web hosting. It looks pretty neat. I like this this color scheme from pink to purple to blue. It has some buttons, drop down, pretty efficient drop down for the menu navigation, shopping cart, and some offer I can put right in front of the customer when they first land onto this web page. There is a click to call timer, so I can see I can make a limited time offers. It comes with some pre-installed logos. It has packages. We see it's shared hosting, cloud server. This is really good. So it looks like a typical landing page where you could manipulate the titles. You can change the images. Let's scroll down. There's a customer success stories. There's a hosting plans. The three popular plans. Fairly standard practice. You can purchase hosting in the following fashion. Basically, you just look at the image and you add it to the cart. Let's add something to the cart and see how this looks like. So this is the bottom of the page. Let's add this server to the cart. For example, I'm interested to purchase a server. Okay, the server is added to the cart. The only thing I don't like is that the elements, this add to cart, overlaps the price. I think it's overlooked installation. Maybe it's because I'm logged in right now into Woostroid and it's not taking it correctly, the coordinates. So now let's check the shopping basket. It shows that this hosting is added to the shopping cart. Let's click on checkout. And checkout page is already set up on the store, which is very convenient. So this web server is ready to do business with online. So to tweak it even further, you need to go to the dashboard. I'll show you quickly how to do some minimal setup so you can get up and running pretty quickly. The loading times are fairly slow. The WordPress is notorious for its slow speed, but for some reason this installation is slower than usual. I don't think it's doing a good job, this server. And it's not the issue of the VPS, it's just the WordPress from out of the box is slower. It takes longer queries to run. Okay, now when you install your web store, you need to configure WooCommerce. To do that, you need to click on WooCommerce and go into settings. Once you're into settings, you need to configure your store, and you need to also run a setup wizard, which is a very good idea to do. So you could fill out your location, where you are. I'm not in UK, I'm in US. So let's put the United States. Okay, we're sell to all countries. You can enable tax rates, but since you're selling hosting, you're probably not going to charge tax. Default currency is in pounds sterling, but I would say United or dollar. US dollar would be a more common accepted currency in the United States. Save changes. And shipping, you need to configure shipping. If you are selling physical products, you need to configure different shipping. For example, shipping to California from New York City is very costly, so you might want to configure California as a separate shipping zone and charge more. But we're selling digital products, web hosting, so we don't need to physically carry the shipping. So default installation of WooCommerce offers us the following options: is direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, and PayPal. You can also install Stripe, which is not part of this installation, but in general you can look into the plugins and get this tried. First, I can set up PayPal, and I click Setup. Here you need to provide your PayPal email address and then enable PayPal standard, and payment action should be capture, and you need to change save changes. If you do some deeper integration, you can look up the PayPal documentation and do API, username, password, and signature, but this is beyond the scope of this tutorial. Now, when we are into the Woocommerce, you might want to look at the products tab. So the units are in kilograms. Let's change it to pounds and change it to inches. It's just the American way, standard way of running things. Here, okay. Here in appearance, you can go to themes and click on customize. We are currently running Woostroid 2 theme, and here on you can do lots of changes, such as updating your site title, uploading logo, changing breadcrumbs, favicon, social links, page layout. You can do boxed, full width, sidebar width, 1/3, 1/4. There's a little options you can do with lots of themes. Color scheme, you can change WooCommerce accent color from purple, for example, to red, and it changes on the website. So that is very handful feature. WooCommerce. There's a product catalog. You can do 4 rows per page. You can do more, you can do less. This is a good way to start your e-commerce business. WordPress has a very powerful set of plugins, open source, free. So the cost of setting up WooCommerce and WordPress is nothing, it's zero. The only thing you have to pay is for this theme, Woostroid 2. So let's change the theme. Maybe we can do something else. Let's go to Woostroid. And change the skins. Everything is conveniently located on the store. Let's say I want to start a beer business, selling liquor online, which is also a very profitable e-commerce nowadays. So I would do the same thing as I did in the previous tutorial. I'll just quickly show you how to do it all over again, so you could follow my steps in the future and get the same result. See, this theme is the good one because it can do a lot of it has a lot of pre-imported elements, which could save you a lot of time. So let's enter the password again and continue the import. Alright, so the installation is now complete. Let's check our website and verify the new theme. Great, so this is now a beer selling company. We have some products for the beer enthusiasts. Very nice images, nice layout, has all the required elements. So all in all, this is a great theme. Elementor allows you to change a lot of sub-elements on the page, carousel, items, footer. Let's take a look at the footer. Okay, so the footer comes like this. So with Elementor, everything becomes an element, has this pencil next to it, so you can change all that stuff seamlessly. If you, for example, don't like the developer of the theme, or you want to update the date of your release, you can click on it and change it here. Click on update, and the update will be released automatically. Alright, so this concludes our presentation of the Woostroid 2 theme by Zemes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now able to launch this web theme for your Woocommerce and WordPress store. This is the first video of this series, so if you are a developer and you are looking to get more exposure on YouTube, email me. My name is Alex. I'm the American entrepreneur. I use a lot of products for my startups. I run software as a service startups. I run conventional businesses. I test many products, many templates, scripts, and I'm running my YouTube channel. So if you're interested to get some exposure, email me for your estimate. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.